Ready? So we will start today. That is the class, and we will see the balancing of ionic equation. Because see, some of you in the previous classes they asked me, they said how to balance the ionic equations. So see, before going to the balancing of ionic equations, let me tell you that this particular one which I am doing, we will be studying in a chapter. I told you earlier also we are having redox reaction. That is oxidation and reduction. The redox reaction we are having, we will study there in details. But for the time being, as you haven't studied about it, you do not know, I am telling you two methods which will be helpful in this particular chapter. That is balancing of ionic equation by ion electron method in acidic medium, another is basic medium. Acidic medium means acid gives what? H plus ions, and basic medium means base gives what? OH minus ions. So we will see the balancing of ionic equations with the help of H plus ions, and we will see the balancing of ionic equations with the help of OH minus ions, because these are the basic two things which you will be requiring in this particular chapter. So children, look at the board and try to understand how I am balancing the equation. Got it? How I am balancing it. See now. For example, you know the different oxidizing agents are there, like potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, nitric acid, manganese dioxide. So many are there. Clear? So if I am taking potassium permanganate, let us say as example. So potassium permanganate will give you what? K plus MnO4 minus. KMnO4 on dissociation will give you K plus MnO4 minus. Now I have nothing to do with K plus, nothing, because that will not give you oxygen. Which will give you oxygen? Permanganate ion, MnO4 minus. So I have to balance this. What I will balance this? K plus. Nothing is to balance. So I am going to balance the MnO4 minus ion. So look at the board properly what I am doing. So how will I balance the MnO4 minus ion? Actually, in the equation in your exams, you will be given the question in this way. MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus. Okay, and here it will be written acidic medium. Acidic medium. Understood? This will be your question. MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus. So how to balance this? Now see here. MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus. Let me write the question first. Done. Next is, listen here. How many oxygen is there? 4 oxygen. So what will I do to balance the 4 oxygen in acidic medium? I will be putting here 4 water. 4 water. Suppose you will say, sir, here 3 oxygen, 3 water, 5 oxygen, 5 water. So n molecules of oxygen here, so that many water, n molecules of water, will put it there. Understood? The first step. First you will put it that water to balance the oxygen. Fine. Now to balance the hydrogen, because you see Mn is balanced, oxygen is balanced. Now you have to balance hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there? 8. So what will you do? 8H plus. Acidic medium, na? So H plus, I told you already. So 8H plus. Got it? Now you can see Mn is balanced, oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. But you have to balance the, what is that? You have to balance the ions. That is the most important thing which I want. Because what is the formula to calculate the equivalent weight of an oxidizing agent? If you remember it, I said you. Molecular weight of the oxidizing agent. This is the oxidizing agent. Molecular weight divided by number of electrons lost or gained. So here the number of electrons will be gained. That is what I want. Number of electrons. That is the most important thing. So how will I get it? Now look here. Total number of electrons this side is how much? 2. Here the total number is how much? Plus 8 minus 1. So it is how much? Plus 7. I want 2 both the sides. Then only it will be balanced. That is what I want. So how will I get? I have to subtract 5. So 5E minus. You will say how it is? Plus into minus is minus. Alright, so plus into minus is minus. So minus 5 plus 8 minus 1. How much it is? How much you got? That is nothing but plus 2. See here. Okay, once again I will say you. That is what I did. MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. This is the question given here. See here. How did I balance it? To balance oxygen, same number of molecules of water. 4 oxygen, 4 water. 5 oxygen, 5 water. Same number. Done. To balance the hydrogen, what I did? 8H plus. Here 8 hydrogens, 8H plus. Now atoms are balanced. I have to balance the ions. How did I balance ions? This side how much it is there? 2. So this side also I want 2. Alright. This side how much it was there previously? Before this, how much it was there? Plus 8 minus 1. How much it was? Plus 7. I want 2, isn't it? So what will I do? I have to subtract 5. I have to subtract, yes, 5. So 5 into minus. So in case of electrons, for subtraction, you do the plus sign. Because plus into minus is minus. You will say subtraction, sir, I'll put minus in. Okay, do it and see. How much is coming? Minus into minus, it becomes plus. It is added. Got it? For that purpose, I have to put here plus 5e minus. So hence, how much it become? Plus 2. Balance the equations. The equation is balanced. In this way, when in equivalent weight, what was the formula? Molecular weight of the oxidizing agent by number of electrons lost or gained. So number of electrons, how much here? 5. This equation I gave it to you when I was teaching the equivalent weight. You will see it. Alright, so molecular weight divided by 5. Molecular weight of whom? KMnO4 divided by 5. You will get the answer. Alright now? Now same equation, clear? Same equation it is asked you balance in basic medium. Alright? Same equation. Just I change the word here. Instead of acidic medium, I will say balance it in basic medium. Balance it in basic medium. So what will I do when I balance it in basic medium? Now basic means what is that? OH minus ions. So same process. First I will write the question. MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus. Now here what I have to do? Now listen carefully. 4 oxygen is there. Alright. So to balance oxygen, what I need to do? Here 4 OH minus, because it is basic medium, na? OH minus I want. So 4 oxygen, so 4 OH minus. Suppose it have been 5 oxygen, 5 OH minus. 3 oxygen, 3 OH minus. N oxygen means N OH minus. Are you getting me what I am saying? Fine. Now, that is to balance a hydrogen. How many hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen. So what will I do here? This side I will put 4 water. Alright. As many hydrogen, that many water. Suppose it would have been 3H, 3 OH minus. So 3 water to balance hydrogen. Suppose here 8 OH minus, 8 water. Alright. As many hydrogen, that many water. As many hydrogen, mind it down. Now when you are adding water, see when you are adding water, to balance the hydrogen ion, what you have to do? Alright. You have to, and as well as oxygen, what you have to do? Again you multiply, again you add this side and the opposite side, same number of OH minus ions. Here how many water you have added? 4 water. So 4 OH minus. Suppose I would have added here 5 water. So 5 OH minus. Alright? Listen carefully. Here 5 water would have been there. So 5 OH minus. So as many water you are adding, that many OH minus on the opposite side. Alright, what I said? Again I come from the beginning. Again I come from the beginning. You see here. Again I start. So here to balance it, oxygen, what will I do? OH minus. How many? 4 OH minus, because 4 oxygen is there. Now to balance hydrogen, what I have to do? That many water. How many hydrogen is there? 4 hydrogen. So it is 4 water. No sir, 4 hydrogen means sir, 4 hydrogen means to balance hydrogen I will do 2 water. No. Alright, here it is, what is that? 4 hydrogen, so 4 water. So here as I am adding 4 water, again same number of molecules of OH minus on the opposite side. As I am adding 4 water, so 4 OH minus. If I would have added 5 water, so 5 OH minus. Alright, now you see it is balanced. Oxygen, hydrogen, Mn is balanced, not the charge. Alright, charge are not balanced now. See, Mn 1. Oxygen is 4 plus 4, 8 oxygen. Alright, 4 oxygen plus 4, 8 oxygen. Hydrogen is how much? 4 2s are 8. Hydrogen is how much? 4 plus 4, 8. Balanced. Now what I have to do? I have to balance the charge. So this side how many? The charge is minus 1. See, only 1 because this is neutral, 0. Here what is the total charge here? Plus 2 and it is, how much it is? Plus into minus, minus 4. Plus into minus, minus 4. Minus 4, it is minus 8. Plus 2, how much I got it? Plus 6. Isn't it? Plus 6 I got. Clear? Or minus 6. See here. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 4 is how much? Minus 8 plus 2. How much is this? Minus 8 plus 2. Will it be plus 6? No. Minus 6. Understood? In this way. I was checking that whether you are following or not. So plus into minus it is minus 4, minus 8 plus 2. It is nothing but minus 6. Now to balance it. This side also minus 6. This side also minus 1. It is balanced? No. So what will I do? I want minus 6. That side. Let us see. What will I do? I will do here plus 5e minus. Because plus into minus is how much? minus. So minus 5 here and minus 1. How much I got it? Minus 6. Did you get it? What I said? This is nothing but minus 4. This is minus 4. How much it is? Minus 8 plus 2. How much I got? Minus 6. Now here it is how much? Minus 1 was there. So how much I want? Minus 6 on both sides. Then it will be balanced now. So plus into minus it is how much? Minus. So minus 5 minus 1. How much it is? Minus 6. On both sides it is same. So again how much I got it? 5 electrons. How much I got it is? 5 electrons. Again how much I got? 5 electrons. So process is different but number of electrons remains what? Same. That is what you need to know. That process may be different. Somebody can do in acidic medium, somebody can do in basic medium. But the answer will be same. How the answer will differ? So hence, in the previous case also, what was the formula? Same formula here also. That is molecular weight of oxidizing agent by number of electrons lost or gained. How much it is? Divided by 5. Got it now? Clear? How to balance the ionic equations? One more I will say you. K2Cr2O7. This is an oxidizing agent, you know. It dissociates to give you what? 2K plus C. K2 means 2K plus Cr2O7 2 minus. Because see, if the positive charge is 2, the negative charge also has to be 2. Why? Because ultimately the compound is neutral. Alright, so it dissociates into equal number of positive and negative charges. That's the most important thing. First of all, you understand. Now, I have nothing to do with K plus. Same thing. I have to do with Cr2O7 2 minus. Now, I will balance this in basic medium. Sorry, acidic medium. Let us see. I will balance it. So, this is the question given to you. You balance it, this equation. So, what will I do? First, I will balance Cr2. I will balance the chromium first. 2Cr. Alright. Now, how many oxygen? 7 oxygens. What will I do? Acidic medium. 7 water. Remember it. I said you. In case of acidic medium, 7 oxygen means I will put it here 7 water. 7 water means how many hydrogen it is? 7 to the 14 hydrogen. So I will put it here 14H plus. Now you see all are balanced except ions. See 2 chromium, 2 chromium. 7 oxygen, 7 oxygen. Hydrogen 14, hydrogen 14. Now to balance the charge. Here what is the total charge? Plus 6 because here the charge is neutral, 0. Here what is the total charge? Plus 14 minus 2. It is how much? Plus 12. How much I want? Plus 6. So what will I do? 6E minus, see, plus into minus, minus 6. Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 14. How much it will be? Plus 6. Now balanced. So what is the equivalent weight of potassium dichromate? Molecular weight of potassium dichromate, that you will find it out. Atomic weight will be given to you. Potassium, chromium, oxygen, all the atomic weight will be given to you. Divided by 6. Alright, that will give you the answer. In this way, you will balance the ionic equation. More of it, I've said you. All of you are having Language of Chemistry, that book with you. In that particular book, you see the balancing of ionic equation is given. Please do it from there. If any doubt, you ask me. Thank you very much.